What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to shoot a quick video and tell you about a new affiliate site I found, and it's called astoria.invoca.net. And I've been getting pretty good commissions with this affiliate site here. I mean, it's pretty awesome. I'm going to just show you something over here. If we go over to my overview and I show you this year, I was running a Boy Scout abuse number here, so I got $125 for 2-minute and 30-second call. It's not bad. Overall conversion rate about 10%, which is pretty good. And the average earning per call, $12.50. Guys, you can't beat this. This is so much better than ClickBank or those other affiliate commissions where you get a like 1 to 2%. You get a 10%. This is pretty awesome, right? I mean, just look at this, right? Sent 40 calls, 40 paid calls, and $500 earned. This is pretty awesome. So just look over some of the campaigns that you can apply for in here. Paying $200 per call, $125 per call, 80. There's like 171 different offers here, which is pretty good. I've already created a video on my, you can just like look at my channel that show you step by step how to actually make commissions with Astoria. I just wanted to shoot this quick video and just show you guys just how great pay-per-call marketing can be if you know how to run ads. So yeah, peace.